Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error Windows Update cannot currently check for updates on Windows 11. First, open Settings on your computer. Go to System, then scroll down and open Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Let Windows detect and fix any problems automatically. If the issue is still there, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Services, and open it. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and choose Stop. Do not close this window yet. Now open File Explorer and go to the C drive, then Windows folder, then Software Distribution. Inside this folder, select everything and delete all files and folders. This clears the update cache that may be causing the problem. After that, go back to the Services window. Right-click on Windows Update again and choose Start to turn it back on. Now restart your computer and try checking for updates again. If you see a message saying that updates are managed by your organization, you may need to change a registry setting. Press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. In Registry Editor, go to HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Policies, then Microsoft, then Windows, and open Windows Update. Find the value called Disable Windows Update Access. Double-click to open it and change its value to 0. Close everything and restart your computer. After that, try Windows Update one more time. Thanks for watching.